Halifax is one of the top port cities in the world for tall ship gatherings, and this year, over 200,000 people enjoyed a front row seat for both their arrivals and departures. Ships from around the world join many of Canada's finest sailing vessels to form the largest international gathering of world-class tall ships in North America in 2007. This year's festival takes place over 13 days, starting July 12th in Halifax and then continuing on in selected Nova Scotia ports until July 25th. For an unforgettable 13 days in July, waterfronts around the province will come alive as we are joined by pirates, privateers, and sailing crews as we celebrate Nova Scotia's rich culture and diverse seafaring heritage. I must go down to the seas again, to the lonely sea and the sky, and all I ask is a tall ship and a star to steer her by. And the wheels kick, and the wind song, and the white sails shaking, and a gray mist on the sea's face, and a gray dawn breaking. I must go down to the seas again, for the call of the running tide is a wild call and a clear call that may not be denied. And all I ask is a windy day and the white clouds flying, and the flung spray and the blown spume and the seagulls crying. I must go down to the seas again, to the vagrant gypsy life, to the gull's way and the whale's way, where the wind's like a whetted knife. And all I ask is a merry yarn from a laughing fellow rover, and a quiet sleep and a sweet dream when the long trick's over.
Thank you.